In this video, I'll show you how to change the default browser on your iPhone so links open in the browser you actually want to use. If you tap on a link and it always opens in Safari, but you'd rather use something like Chrome, here's how to change that. First, open the App Store and make sure the browser you want is already installed on your iPhone, for example. If you want to use Google Chrome, download it from the App Store first. Once the browser is installed, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps. At the top, you'll see a section for default apps. Tap on Browser app. Here, you'll see a list of browsers installed on your phone. Select the browser you want to use, for example, Chrome instead of Safari. That's it. Now, when you open an email, message, or any app and tap on a link, it will automatically open in your new default browser instead of Safari. If this video helped you, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who might need it. We're a new channel, and your support really helps. Thanks for watching.